Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm gonna explain how to calculate percentage and percentage change in Microsoft Excel. Over here you can see we have year-wise sales data for a company XYZ starting from 2020 to 2023. This was the amount of the sales in 2020 and it increased to 252,500 in 2021, and finally the sales data peaked at 293,900 US dollar. Let's see how we can calculate the percentage change from 2020 to 2021 and from 2021 to 2023. Percentage change can be calculated easily by subtracting the final value from the initial value divided by the initial value and multiply with 100. Let's see practically how we can do this. First, I'm going to calculate the percentage change from 2020 to 2021. So I will write is equal bracket start final value minus initial value bracket close divided by initial value and multiply with 100. Press enter and there you can see the percentage change, which is 24.69%. So the sales data from 2020 to 2021 has increased by 24.69%. Let me decrease the decimals to only 2 digits. Now let's repeat the process from 2021 to 2023 with a slight change. So again I would write is equal bracket start final value minus initial value bracket closed divided by initial value, and this time I'm not going to multiply this data with 100. I would simply press enter and there you can see 0.16. In order to convert it into a percentage, simply head over here and click on percentage sign, and there we have our percentage. Now from here you can increase the decimals like this. So this is how we can actually calculate the percentage change in Microsoft Excel. Now let me show you how we can simply calculate percentage in Microsoft Excel. Here you can see we have some sales data for the same company XYZ in Asia and Europe. And this is the total sales data. Let's find out the percentage contribution in Asia and Europe separately. And this is pretty simple. And you can actually choose the value of interest and divide it by the total data and then multiply it with 100. And in this way, you would get the percentage of that data. Let me show you. So let's calculate the sales percentage of the total sales in Asia. So I would write is equal sales data in Asia divided by total data. Press enter. And now multiply it with 100 or percent, and there you can see the percentage contribution in Asia. Let me increase it to 2 decimal places, and similarly over here we can also do the same. Is equal sales data in Europe divided by total sales. Press enter and let's choose this value again and click on this percent sign, and there we have our percentage contribution in Europe. Again, you can increase it right from here to 2 decimal places. So this is how we can actually calculate percentage and percentage change in Microsoft Excel. So that was it for today's tutorial. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.